Into Red Rock, so be ready off to the starboard side.
Yeah, he already went off to this.
Rick, can you take a picture of that?
I'm taking a video.
He's a whole video right now.
I'll do video too. We'll get
yeah.
Double.
And Marsha, you're doing pictures.
I'm just doing still
God, we'll
pictures. We got it all.
And we should have one of each. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
I hear him.
Yeah, he's coming.
He's sneaking over at us.
Yeah.
He can't sneak up on us. We
Oh,
saw him.
That's
I
right.
saw him the minute he came into the picture.
There they are.
There he is.
Come on, let's get down in here a little bit. Don't be afraid. They probably do. All I know is that Formula Rendezvous, the guy used to come in close. He was almost too close. There we go, that's cool.
There he goes.
Dave was taking pictures. The guy did it right. He probably came in high to see how the winds were blowing off the hill or something, you know. So get a feel for how the wind's blowing. That's cool. That was a good shot for him.
Yeah.
I got him good when he came closer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got some good shots
Oh yeah,
too.
here comes